Let's go to the next command, that is rotate. The shortcut key for rotate is RO. Okay, one more thing, you can access the move and copy from here as well. Now our next command is rotate. You can access the rotate from the ribbon bar as well, or give command RO, enter. Okay, yes. See, it is written here, current positive angle in UCS, that is counterclockwise. Means if you give plus 30 means the angle is measured in the anti-clockwise direction with respect to horizontal. That's what it is written here. See, yes. So select object. After selecting the object, you have to press enter. Select the base point. Base point means about that point only. About that point only, the rectangle is going to rotate. So let me select this as my base point. Left click, rotation angle. It is asking the rotation angle. So let me give 30. Okay. As of now, I am doing this ortho off from here. Okay. Now, rotation angle is 30. Enter. Okay. Rotation angle is 30. Enter. Now you can see the rectangle has been rotated by 30° in the anti-clockwise direction. Let me undo this. Okay. Now, first I will copy this rectangle. One more. Select base point. Yes, here. So this is one more rectangle. Go to rotate, arrow, enter. Select object, enter. Now, if I choose this as my base point, which one? Geometric center. Now, the rectangle will rotate by taking the geometric center as base point. You can say that there will be one axis which will pass through the geometric center, and that axis direction will be Z axis. Okay, so about that axis, this particular rectangle will get rotated. So I am selecting the base point as geometric center. So this is the geometric center. Left click here. Okay, ortho should be off. So ortho is off. Now see, the rectangle is getting rotated about the base point, that is about the geometric center. Okay, let me give rotation angle as 30. Enter. See how it is being rotated. I hope this is clear. Let me go to rotate again. Arrow, enter. Now let me select this object. Enter. Let me select this as my base point, geometric center. Now, do you see I have mentioned the rotation angle as 30. Can you see two options there? One is copy, another one is reference. I will go to copy. Suppose uh, if you want to keep the original rectangle, then you have to use this particular option. See, I am just left click on copy. Now you can see the original rectangle will also be there, and the rotated angle, let me give rotation angle as 45. Okay, it is asking na specify rotation angle. Okay, copy option I have already done, that's why the original rectangle is got activated. The rotation angle is 45. Enter. Now you can see here we have the original as well and the rotated as well. Yes, let me copy this rectangle, this horizontal rectangle. Yes. Okay, go to rotation, select object, enter. Okay, so let me choose this as my base point. Okay, base point. Now I will select copy. I will select copy. Copy means the original rectangle will also be there. Put the ortho off so that you can see the rotation. See how the rectangle is getting rotated. Give angle 45°. because rotation angle is asking. Enter. See the difference between these two options. Here in this part, the base point was the geometric center. That's why it is looking like this. And in this portion, the base point was this corner, that is this end point. That's why it is looking like this. I hope this is very much clear. Okay, in this case, the base point was this corner, and in this, the base point was geometric center. Okay, yes, and here I have used copy. That's why the original is also there. Go to rotation again, arrow enter, select object, enter. Now let me select the base point as my this end point. Left click. Okay, press on copy. You can see the original rectangle will get highlighted. See. Okay, now go to reference. Reference angle. This, and let's say this point. Now you can see this is how the reference angle. Means I selected this one and this one. Means that's the reference angle with respect to horizontal. That line, that inclined dotted line, you can see that line is having some angle with respect to horizontal. Okay, so suppose if I give 20 degree, enter. 20 degree, enter. That means with respect to the reference angle, this rectangle is drawn. Let me explain again. Go to rotate, enter, select this object, enter. This is the base point. Okay. Go to reference. Let me take reference angle as 10 degree, enter. Now you can see with respect to this line, see the dotted line between the base point which I had chosen and the crosshair. With respect to that, the new angle will be taken. Let me choose the new angle as 30 degree. Okay, let me measure that. Suppose if I draw a horizontal line here, let me draw a horizontal line for measuring the angle. Okay, go to parametric, measure the angle. This and this. See, the angle is 20. See the angle, it is 20. Why it is 20? I gave rotation angle, I gave my rotation angle as 10 degree. Sorry, 30 degree. I gave my rotation angle as 30 degree and reference angle as 10 degree. But here it is 20 degree. What is the concept? Let me explain through one note. Look at here. See, this is the original rectangle. Okay, original rectangle. Let me take reference angle as 10 degree. Let me take rotation angle as 30 degree. Okay, so once you have chosen the reference angle as 10 degree, let's say this is the base point. This is the base point about which rotation is being done, and this is the here the crosshair is there. So from this rectangle, this line is making an angle of 10 degree. Okay, which is nothing but the reference angle. Okay, yes. Now about this line. Okay, now remember one thing. Now the rotation, the actual rotation of this particular rectangle will be nothing but 30 minus 10, that is 20 degree. Yes, it will be 20 degree. Absolutely. So this is how it is done. Let me show you this in the AutoCAD. Let me erase it. Let me, don't erase it, only erase the rectangle. Okay. Move this rectangle here. Yes. Okay. Now go to rotation, RO, enter, select object, enter. Let me select this as my base point. Okay. Yes. Put the ortho off from here. Now go to reference. Reference angle is 10. Enter. So you can see the reference angle is 10. Okay. The reference angle is 10. Let me give new angle, that is 30. So let me give 30. Enter. Oh, I should have kept the original one as well. Let me redraw it. Rotate, select object, enter. This is the base point. Click on copy, put the ortho off so that I can see rotating. Now go to reference, give 10, enter. Now you can see the dotted line has came here. Okay, now give the new angle. I will give 30, enter. Now you can see the angle between the original rectangle and the rotated rectangle is 20 degree, because it is taking the reference angle as 10 degree, that is 30 minus 10, 20 degree. So this reference angle is not of that much use. Okay, yes, we can easily do that. There are other options are there also. Okay, so I hope this is very much clear.